Yes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel, and today we have a fresh topic. We are talking about difference between hashtag and tags and how to use them properly in your video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and together we grow. What is the meaning of tags and hashtags and how to add them in your video properly? Let's dive in. If you're looking to promote a content to a new audience or show up a more relevant search results, then you need to be using YouTube tags and hashtags. In this comprehensive guide, I will show you everything you need to know about YouTube tags, including what YouTube tags and hashtags are and how to add them to your videos. Okay, let's go on what are YouTube tags. Yes, YouTube tags are keywords that you add to your video, to your YouTube video. They help YouTube understand the contents and contents of your video, which allow YouTube to show your video in relevant search results. For example, if you have a video about how to make a cake, you would want to use YouTube tags like baking, cake recipe, and how to make a cake. This would help you to show your video to people who are searching for these terms. Then let's talk a little about hashtags. Hashtags is a keyword preceded by hash symbol used to categorize and label video content, making it easier for viewers to find related videos through search and discovery. The functions are similar to other social media platforms like Facebook, IG, and Twitter. Hashtags are the same. The way they act on YouTube, that's the same way they act on other platforms. And they act as a clickable link that leads to a result or that features other videos with the same hashtags. That is, if a video is labeled by a name of hashtag, that is particular name that hashtag is carrying, then when you click on that link, it will lead you to other videos that hashtag is used on. Okay, here let me talk about more details explanation of these hashtags. We have a categorization. On this categorization, hashtag help to find content related to their interest. You understand? Then we have discoverability. By using related hashtag, creators can increase the visibility of their video and attract viewers who are searching for specific content. That is, if you create a specific content and you use a particular hashtag on it, with that name you place as a hashtag, immediately they click it, it will lead them to that particular content you use that hashtag on. Then we have search and navigation. When a user click on a hashtag, they are taken to a result page with a collection of video that use the same hashtag. That is the same as that discoverability I just said now. Then we have branded and promotion. Branded and promotion, creators can also use branded hashtag to promote their own content and encourage viewers to discover more of the video. That is, if you create your particular name or hashtag, anytime you make a video, you use a particular name to describe that video with a hashtag on it. Then we have placement. Hashtag can be added in a video titles, description, and comments according to Sprout Social. Yes, let's talk about tag tips. Use tags that match your video topic, keywords, and variation. Example, how to grow YouTube 2025 YouTube algorithm. Then use your channel as a tag. It helps with branding. Yes, anytime you make a video you want to upload, always incorporate your channel name to the tags. It helps for branding, like I said before. Then keep tags relevant. YouTube mostly use them for understanding misspelling or contents. Then let's talk about tags and how they appear in YouTube. Then tags, where they are used in video details section in YouTube Studio, they are not visible to viewers. Purpose, help YouTube understand the contents of the video. Like I said before, used for correcting misspelling, alternative terms, and improving search relevance or search results. Then let's talk about hashtag, where they are used in the video title or description. They are visible to the viewers. Purpose, help users find video around a specific trending topic or categories. Like I said, they act like clickable link that leads to related content with the same hashtags. More useful for trending topics, challenge, or community discovery. Then the key difference in use of tags and hashtags, that is what they really mean on YouTube. Tags are for algorithm, then hashtags are for both viewers and algorithm. Let's go forward. Let me show you how to use YouTube tags and hashtags and where to use them on YouTube.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah, let's dive in. We are talking about the difference between tags and hashtags and how to use them properly when uploading your video. Okay, let's dive in. Let's go to YouTube Studio. That's where we make this happen. Okay. In YouTube Studio, let's go here. I want to upload a video. Let's talk about, let's just use this video for example. And it's already on private. You have to put, anytime you want to make an upload, make sure you put it on private, not public. Just leave it on private. Then let's say this is the video and we're talking about the difference between tags and hashtags. Okay, let's say the difference between tags and hashtags YouTube video. Okay, here, let me say this is the title and we have to make, okay, we are uploading this as short because it's short. Let's upload this first and see. Let's upload this short. Then before we start, okay, I think we can still put the description. Okay, here this is a description. Add description. That is it. Then we are talking about the difference between tags and hashtags on YouTube video. Okay, If you have not written anything and you want to make a description, a perfect description, you can also use ChatGPT to make it. Let's just ask ChatGPT. Then, for examples, you're making. Let's just ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. This is it. Then I'll just go back and copy that exactly title of our video and ask ChatGPT to write a good please write a good description of, then paste it, of difference between tags and hashtags on YouTube video. I think let's all right. Okay. Let's say this is it. This is the description. You know, you're making an example. This is the description. Tag versus hashtag on YouTube video. Let's copy this. Let's copy this and like, okay, done. Let's go back on description. This is it. This is the description ChatGPT gave us. Remove this at the top. Okay, remember we say hashtag. This is where you use in description. That is where you use your hashtag. A hashtag is visible to viewers, but tags are not visible. Let's say, okay, hashtag. We are talking about how to difference between tags and hashtags on YouTube. Okay, let's say ask ChatGPT to give us a specific and good right some hashtags on this topic. All right, you see, this is the hashtag ChatGPT gave us. Then you can copy this and come to down below on description. That is where you post YouTube tips. These are related topics to concerning our topic or to our topic. Then content creator or video optimization. Can I just pick this video optimization? 3-4 is okay. Video optimization. Then another one, I just select YouTube helps or YouTube for beginners. Copy. Then let's just say this 3 is okay. This is where hashtags are. It is already there. Hashtags, visible links for viewers to explore similar content. And this is it. This is all about hashtags. Then go back. No, this is the. I'll go back. Then talking about tags. This is where you put your tags. You add tags here. Okay, let's see add ChatGPT. Also write tags. Also write some useful tags on this topic. Okay, these are the tags. YouTube tags versus hashtag. How to use hashtag on YouTube. Boom. This is awesome. You see, you copy it. If you don't want to waste your time or crack your head, you always mistake. Also get your own idea and ChatGPT. This is it. Then differentiate with comma. This is where you add tags, and these tags are not visible to viewers at all. They are not visible to viewers. Then YouTube SEO tips. This is where you add your tags. Then YouTube video optimization. Copy. You add your tags and differentiate with comma. Then after that, you save. Then you can upload your video. Maybe before uploading, you wait for like some minutes or hours, or maybe 2 hours before uploading, because I think that is how YouTube or make use of your video properly to accept your video before publishing it to other viewers. This is it. Boom. So we are done. Thank you, and please do subscribe to my channel. And God bless you. Together we will learn more.